Hey guys, this is how to create Gmail signature with icon and image. So guys, in the end of the video, you're gonna learn how to download signature template and you'll be able to use this template to your Gmail. So guys, just simply follow along. So now first thing that you will do is simply go to google.com and search for signature template for Gmail. So guys, you will have a lot of options in the Google. So from here guys, you will have something like this: create a professional signature in Gmail, free email signature template. So you will have a multiple more. So guys, I recommend using this Zapier. And from here, just simply scroll down, and after that you will have here multiple email signature. So from here, let's say I'm gonna go for this template, and from here just click on make a copy, and after that you will see here all of the templates, and this is what I like. So just simply go ahead and double click on the picture and click on replace image, and from here guys, you can upload a picture from your computer in order for you to change the photo. And from here you just simply go ahead and rewrite the right information into your signature. And once you have done editing, just simply go ahead and copy this whole thing, and from here just tap on Control C on your keyboard and go to your Gmail, and now go over here to the settings and go to see all the settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here your signature. So if you don't have a signature yet, just click on create a new, and from here just name the signature. I'm gonna go for tests and click on create, and after that just simply paste it over here. So guys, once you are done, just scroll down and make sure to click on save changes. And now guys, when you click on compose, you should be able to have your email signature. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.